Is it true that you need a certification when you get out? And the answer is no, but you will be super limited. You would be limited to pay opportunities, and you're gonna start off on the bottom rung of the ladder. Yes, you don't need a certificate. You can still, from what I hear, you can sign off jobs and things like that. Yes, that is true. But don't you want us to get out of the military and have more opportunities? And yes, your military experience will help, but on top of that, having all the certifications, all the things to make your resume look good can put your resume from the bottom to the top because you already have experience. And that is super helpful when you transition out. And obviously you get paid more. And your economics, to maintain a lifestyle that you had in the military, you can do that. So put a little time aside of a couple of weeks to get your certification and do that for yourself, do that for your family, do it for your own insanity, because when you separate, it is a stressful time in your life, because not only are you changing your entire life, you're starting a new chapter. It gets scary. So prepare yourself, minimize that stress, build your network, get your certifications if you want, get your degree, and depending on your goals in such an industry, right? So prepare yourself. As soon as you get in the military, you should start building those networks. So that way, 6, 8, 10 years, you already have options. You don't have to reenlist. I've seen so many people stay in because they don't have that mindset of abundance. They don't have options. So when you get out or you're starting to rethink about your career opportunities, stack up your life to create those opportunities. And the best way is getting your certs, getting all the education you need, like say even like a CCIF, that helps. All those things can set you up for the future, and your future self will thank you. All right, that's all I gotta say.